Hey there guys, so hope you're doing well still, and so you're seeing me this time because I'm going to bring a different unboxing. So I just got this, I just brought it home. I decided I wanted to try out one of the like canister style Orecks, but this is one from the current day. It's a TTI one, it's the commercial one, so it's XLPRO5 is what this one is. And I just decided, well, since I only have one that is working right now, that's one of the American made ones, but I had a problem with the hose with it, and then I had a problem with the filter like clip housing on my other one. It was the black version, and that one was a Cookville one. I think we got it in 2009. So since I don't have a perfectly functioning Oreck canister, and I remembered really liking them, I decided I'd order this one. And so yeah, so I guess I just wanted to open it with you guys. So, and this one says, it just says copyright 2017 TTI. That's interesting. This one says made in US, but of globally sourced components. So we'll just see. I know I wasn't completely unhappy with the blue commercial upright, but I do wish that it was still Phillips head screws. But you know, I'm probably just being really persnickety about that. Okay, so we got something taped right there. Oh, okay. So we've got the wand. They've changed this wand a good bit, because on that other version, like I was talking about, on it was like you had two wands, but this, that's actually pretty cool. It's plastic, but it feels really, really, I mean, I thought it was metal for a second, but it's plastic. That's really nice. And that was taped right there. Oh, okay, so the floor tool. Okay. Okay. Interestingly, yeah. Okay, because the other one, I don't know if they had another company making the American one, but on my other one, it looks just like this. But on the bottom, it says made in Germany, but obviously I didn't expect that on this. And then, so it's got, if you want just suction on a rug, and then if you push it down, you get the bristle ones. And actually, they made those a lot more, they really gave more space for dirt on this, so I already like that a lot better than the other ones. It's kind of a surprising improvement for sure. And this is the attachments. So the attachments and the little caddy holder part of it. But I think I'll just go ahead and get out the unit. Okay. And that's everything in the box. Let's see, manual right there. And bag. Yeah, this doesn't look like these changed at all. So that's pretty neat. It must be disassembled or something. Okay. Interesting. This one's a little bit different. This hose is stretchy. The other one, like I said, that I had was like the hose was already was already pulled. It was not like, it was not a slink hose. It was like just the hose was just locked in that position. Okay, and this is the cleaner. Interesting. It looks very, very much like the old white version. They had a white version and a black version. Let's see. Manufacturer code 24044. So I don't know if that means it was made this year or not, but I guess it would be, I assume. Oh, interesting. Distributed by Royal Appliances Company. Now that's something I didn't think of. But we'll just check. Okay, there is a bag in it, so that's good. And then if you're unfamiliar with these, it just is right in there. Yep. Okay. I guess that goes around like that, I assume, so I'll just put it that way. Yeah, okay, so it's like, and then it has a little pre-motor filter under there. Okay, so you get 2 bags with it, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so that's good. That goes like that. We'll close it and cord. Huh, I thought it would be 3 prongs, but that's alright. It's still a heavy-duty cord, though. Okay. So that's that. I'll put these out of the way. Okay. And then that goes on somehow, but we'll deal with that in a minute. This is, wow, there's 6 amps now. Dang, it's a lot more power than before, because I think that the ones, at least that I grew up with from 2009 and earlier, were like 4 amps, but I might be, I don't know, I may be just thinking wrong, but it's pretty dang solid. I'd say it's at least as solid, I would think. And it had really good reviews and neutral, and then a couple of 1-star, but that's just the way things are. You can't have, I think it had like 70% or 70-something% good reviews. So anyhow, and I don't know what this thing does. Some kind of, well, I'll figure stuff out later, but I don't know what that goes to. Some kind of little fitting there. And this, I guess, goes on here. Must go on that way, I assume. Somehow. I assume that that goes like that. Well, I'm not going to force anything yet. So we'll look at the attachments. Oh, okay, well that's nice. It's like a Ziploc. Let's see, crevice tool. It's decent length on that too. This is the shoulder strap. And then like an upholstery tool, which this looks exactly like they used to. Oh, wait, I think I know now. So this is the one. So you can put it on there. Yeah, put it in there like that. And then you can do this and then clean with it like that if you wanted to. I remember now. It's all coming back to me now. So, and then last but by no means least, the brush. So the dusting brush. Oh, I don't know for sure if that's real hair, but it feels like it, so that's nice. It's a really good brush, actually. Kind of wish more would do ones like this. Maybe it is real hair. That's awesome. Well, I think that's pretty much that. I already made this video longer than I wanted, but that's pretty much that. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick the hose in, since we know there's a bag in it. Yeah, it seems pretty good. So guys, I guess I will see you, and my dad and I will be traveling next week, so I don't know, it may be a couple weeks again before I'm back, but anyway, so I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day, night, whatever, and everything. So I will see you sometime after we've gotten back. So you have a good one.